Solve the equation with rational expression. Alright, so this is just an algebra question. So we'll start off here, just writing out the equation. So 3x plus 3, let's just erase this. So there's multiple ways of starting off this question. I'll show you the best way to simplify kind of your solution. Then we have 2 over x plus 3. Alright, so one way to start off is just to multiply both top and bottom of the x plus 3 on both sides by x minus 2 to get that common denominator. And you can also multiply the middle term here by x plus 3 on both on top and bottom to get the common denominator. So you can see that you could have a common denominator of x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. But another way to think about this question is to move terms around. So we can move this term to this side of the equation and then move this term to that side of the equation, because we already have a common denominator of x plus 3 in this term and x plus 3 in this term. Okay, so to start off, we know that 3, so we'll take the 2 on top here, and we'll say minus 2. Since we have a common denominator, we can just put all of this over x plus 3. And then this is equivalent to, we're going to move this term to this side. So we get positive 4 over x minus 2. And then the next step is we have 1 over x plus 3. 3 equals 4 over x minus 2. Okay, so we'll clear up some space up top. So because we added the two terms that had the common denominator in the beginning, we didn't have to really find the common denominator x plus 3 or x minus 2. So we didn't have to multiply by anything to, have the middle term have a common denominator with the rest. So we didn't really have to manipulate the common denominator as much. We just rearranged. And now here we can just multiply this over here, and then multiply this over here. And then we'll end up with x minus 2. So we're essentially just multiplying x minus 2 by both sides of the equation is equal to, similarly for x plus 3. So I'll write this below, x plus 3. Okay. And then we'll have x minus 2 equals 4x. 4x plus 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then we'll rearrange here. So 4x and then minus x on this side. So we'll move this over to this side by subtracting x on both sides. That'll give us 3x on this side. And we'll subtract negative 12 on this side and negative 12 on this side. So we'll have negative 2 minus negative 12, which will give us negative 14. And now to solve for x, x equals negative 14 over 3. And that's our final solution right here. Okay, so let's just take a look at the provided attempt for the solution. So they use a similar process, so they don't find the common denominator right away. They just rearrange, and then you end up with x equals negative 14/3. So the solution is correct. All right, let's go to the next question.